In this lesson, you'll learn how to create shift types and add new shifts. The roster allows you to plan out each day on the appointment book and keep track of the hours worked by each employee. To add a new shift type, go to the Setup menu and select Configuration. In the left navigation panel, click on General and select Roster. Here you can view and edit your existing shift types or press New to create a new shift type. I'm going to create a shift type for reception. Then choose a color code. This color code will be displayed on the roster and on the appointment book. You can then choose whether the shift type is active and whether it's payable. In this case, it is payable. You can also choose whether to allow bookings during this shift type. When you're finished creating your new shift type, press Done. Now I'll show you how to add a shift to the roster. To access the roster, go to the Tools menu and select Roster. Click on a cell to add a shift. I'm going to add a shift for Anna for Monday next week. You can select the shift type in the top right corner. In this example, I'm going to create a normal shift. You'll then need to enter the start and finish times for the shift. Click on the AM or PM to change it. Here you have the option to add a break. If you add a break, it won't be shown on the appointment book, but it will be deducted from the employee's hours. You can add a shift note in this box. You can see that the cell has changed color to indicate that a shift note has been added. You can also add an appointment book note. This icon will appear on the roster if there's an appointment book note, and the message will appear as an employee message on the appointment book. To create a split shift, enter the start and finish times for the first shift, then press the New button, and enter the times for the second shift. You can see that we now have shift 1 and 2 available in the drop-down menu. If you want to delete a shift, just select it from the drop-down menu and press the Delete button. Once a shift has been completed, you can use this option here to record any differences between the actual hours worked and the employee's rostered hours. This helps keep an accurate record of the hours worked by each employee. In this example, Anna was rostered to work until 6, but she actually stayed until 6:30. Press Done to save your changes. Now that you know how to create shift types and add new shifts, you can easily plan out your employee roster.